Hey everyone, and welcome back. Tired of manually creating and sending video conference links for every meeting? In this video, I'll show you how to automatically add Zoom or Google Meet links to your Calendly bookings. First, log into your Calendly account and go to your integrations page from the sidebar. Here, you'll see options for both Zoom and Google Meet. Click on your preferred video. Conferencing tool. You'll be prompted to connect your account. For Zoom, you'll sign in to authorize Calendly. For Google Meet, it will use your connected Google Calendar account once connected. Go to the specific event type you want to add the link to. Click Edit and navigate to the Location section. You'll now see a new option for your video conferencing tool. Select it. This tells Calendly to automatically generate a unique meeting link for every new booking. Now, when an invitee schedules an event, the video conference link will be automatically added to the calendar event. And the confirmation email they receive, they can join with one click. And you don't have to lift a finger, and that's it. You've just automated the most repetitive part of scheduling meetings. If this saves you time every week, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.